In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete call history on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. And once it is done, tap right here to go to your DMs and then enter a conversation. As you can see here, we got text message, audio call, and video call history. And the thing here is that if we long press at a regular message, I'm just gonna long press at text message, and here, as you can see, it gives us some options. However, the thing here is that if we long press at audio call or at video call, it doesn't give us any options, and the only way how we can clear that history is first off, tap right here at our conversation name, then hit options, and then select restrict. First off, we need to restrict that user. Don't worry, later on we'll unrestrict them. To continue, hit right here. As you can see, the user has just been restricted, and now we need to search for them via search because the conversation with that user has been hidden from our DMs list. So I'm gonna hit search and I'm just gonna enter their username here. That's how we can easily find them. Now it says here that we have restricted that user, and here now we have this delete option. I'm just gonna hit add delete, and that allows us to delete all the messages in that conversation. So now here we can easily hit add delete to clear the entire history with that user, and then we can get into conversation with them again. As you can see, it has been successfully cleared. We do not have any message here now, and now we can just hit add unrestrict to unrestrict that user, and then we can start messaging with them easily in that way. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.